And now she's vacuuming again. See? She was just vacuuming at 8 o'clock. I showed you that. And I told you she had vacuumed at like 7 something. And then started again. Like, same time, same date. I should have recorded the first one. I thought, you know, it's 7. I'm busy with other things. And she's doing the I'm gonna vacuum every hour thing. I'm just uploading these public. I'm not even gonna put them private and wait. I'm just tired. Ugh. I'm not putting up with the bullshit anymore. I might even unprivatize some other fucking videos. Because I want everybody to see what they do. I just went to the bathroom, flushed the toilet, went outside for a minute, and she started fucking vacuuming again. Oh, and on that note about the fleas, yeah, she thought vacuuming, instead of getting flea treatment for their fucking animals, she vacuumed. And this is when she started doing this as a fucking thing. Like, they start out doing something and they will do it to be harassing. She doesn't need to vacuum an hour later. She just vacuumed at like at least between 7 and 7:15, and then she started again near 8, and now she's doing it again at 9:17. She does not need to fucking vacuum this much in the same room.